In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Spotify on Discord. This is a quick and easy setup that lets Discord show what you're listening to on Spotify, and it helps friends discover your music taste, or even listen along if they have Spotify Premium. We'll keep things straightforward, and by the end, you'll be linked up and ready to go. Start by opening Discord on your computer. Look down at the bottom left corner of the app, right next to your username and avatar. You'll see a small gear icon. This opens your user settings. Give that a click to open the settings window. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of sections. Find and select the one labeled Connections. This is the hub where you link your Discord account with other services, and you'll notice a row of icons for different platforms right at the top. Now, locate the Spotify icon and click it. Discord will open a secure login window, either as a pop-up or in your web browser. This is the official Spotify sign-in page, and it's where you'll connect your account. Go ahead and log in with your Spotify credentials using your usual method. If your Spotify account uses two-factor authentication or a single sign-on option, just follow the prompts like you normally would. You may also see an authorization screen asking you to confirm that Discord can access your basic Spotify information and your listening activity. Approve that request. This is required for the connection to work properly. Once you've signed in and authorized the connection, head back to Discord. You should now see Spotify listed under your connections, which confirms everything is linked. From here on, when you're playing music on Spotify, Discord can display your listening status. Friends will see what track you're enjoying, and if they're eligible, they can join in for a synchronized session. That's all there is to it. If something doesn't look right, double-check that you're in user settings rather than any server settings, and make sure you clicked the Connections section. It can also help to update Discord or briefly switch between the desktop and browser versions if the Spotify icon doesn't appear. And remember, you're always in control of what you share. Discord and Spotify both provide privacy options if you want to limit what others can see. Keep your login details private and only sign in on the official Spotify page. With that, your accounts are connected, and you're ready to bring your Spotify presence into Discord. Enjoy your music, and have fun sharing your favorite tracks with your community.